Hey everybody, this is a quick video to explain how to do a hard reset on your TOZO NC9 wireless earbuds in case you're having issues like they won't connect or they keep disconnecting, or maybe you're only getting sound out of the left ear or only sound out of the right ear. A hard reset will fix a lot of these issues and it's very easy to do. Now, before you start the reset on the earbuds themselves, it's a good idea to go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on whatever device that you have them paired with, and then have them be forgotten. You can forget device on your phone or whatever, so that you're starting totally fresh. Once you've done that, you can just take both of your earbuds out of the case, and you're going to press and hold the back button on them for about 5 seconds until they turn off. And you'll know they've turned off because the light will blink red. And then once they've turned off, you can release the button, wait a couple seconds, and then press and hold again for several seconds, about 5 seconds, until they turn back on, blinking blue and red. And once they're blinking blue and red, then you can come in behind on each of them. You want to fast tap 2 times. And if the fast tap 2 times doesn't work, then you can try this whole cycle again, doing fast tap 3 times. Sometimes this is a little bit of a delicate process to get this to work, but when it works, this indicator light will turn purple. The earbuds will go through a reset process, and then you can turn the Bluetooth back on your phone and repair these earbuds as a new device.